Hey guys, my name is Gangadhar. I'm planning to start GST Act total 900 pages book of CMA final from corner to corner. Each and every line, subline and all everything I wants to planning to cover whole things. And this video duration is 15 minutes only. If next video whatever be the thing is a total 174 sections of CGST Act will try to upload as early as possible. And this GST I will prepare with section number, section description as well as rules along with the section and rules. In that also there will be some forms is also I mentioned. Everything. This is section number, rules and forms. What are the related forms? If you learn this way, it's very easy to understand. This format I will try to upload in audio mode also, because it's very easy to memorize the things and all. Section 1 short title, commencement and extent and commencement. The CGST Act 2016 September 8 it was launched. President assent and immediately the bill has been become act. So it extends to whole of India including the state of the Jammu and Kashmir also. Thereafter, after 1 week, it took president assent and it becomes the act. So it extends to whole of India. This final study material has I think so much more introduction is required because we'll go by one. And the thing is that Customs Act and all, sorry, one second, I'm sorry. The GST Act. And what is the difference between the direct tax and indirect tax? Very simple definitions. Payer and sufferer of the tax will be same person in direct tax. Payer and sufferer will be different persons. That is incidence and impact on different person in GST. It is a direct tax is a income based taxes. It is a supply based taxes. Rates of tax will be different from different persons. Say I am getting 10 lakhs. So my income will be go to the up to 2 lakh basic exemption limit, 2 to 5%, 5 to 10 lakhs. Like that it will go 20%, beyond 10 lakhs 20%. So it will be income based tax. It is a supply based tax. So every person will be same rate of taxes will be levied. Rates of taxes will be same on every person in direct taxes. The income will be previous year income assessed will be the assessment year. Previous income will be assessed in the assessment year. There is no provision. If you are purchasing now means you have to pay the direct tax. There is no previous year assessment year concept. Here the CBDT will be the supreme power. Constitution of the direct tax is the CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. CBEC, Central Board of CBIC, Central Board of Income, Indirect Taxes and Customs. CBEC is there. Earlier this name has been cancelled and changed to CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Direct tax is a progressive nature. This is regressive nature. Regressive nature means what earlier I told you. If I am getting 10 lakhs income means my tax rate will be more. Here regressive nature means everybody will be equal. Everybody has to pay the same rate of taxes. Constitution of the CBDT Act, GST Act. The bill has been very simple. Multiple choice questions will become here. 8th September will be it becomes the constitution took president approval. 8th September we have to remember 8th September 2016. And thereafter it becomes the act. It means the act extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir before 2016, September 2016. And the Article 246A, the power to levy the GST, the government has got the power to levy the GST Act, which means the Parliament has given the power to levy the GST. According to the Article 246. The GST Act has been four things: CGST Act, IGST Act, UTGST and CGST Act, etc. All 4 acts. IGST has been levied between the states and say interstate IGST will be levied on interstate purchases. It is a destination based taxes. Say if I want to purchase the tax means I want to import the goods from, I want to I want to make interstate purchases means I have to go to Delhi, and there the destination where I am living, that state will get the income and the central government. So the origin based taxes is, they are going to loss. So because of that IGST will be levied. GST has levied on all supply of goods and services except alcohol liquor for human consumption, and there is some more goods is there. This is PHMNC. PHMNC means petroleum products, petroleum crude, high speed diesel, motor spirit, natural gases, aviation tribunal, and tobacco products. And there is one more thing is there, ice creams and edible ice creams. That one is also central. That means still the central excise duty has been levied. Central excise duty has been levied on these products. These 6 products. There is total we have to remember 8 products. One is alcohol liquor for human consumption with this, and thereafter PHMNCT and ice creams and edible ice creams. Alcohol liquor for human consumption. These will be for all these things will be state will be levied the taxes. This is nothing is there. What is when the act has been came, CGST Act 2016. That means every year the bill will be presented and the amendments will come and all. We have to go through CGST Act and all. We go through the things. That's it only. Say I already told you, GST means goods and service taxes on supply of goods and services, both goods and services, except alcohol liquor for human consumption, because the article did not given power to the states have power to levy the article 366. GST is a value added taxes, which likes to similar to VAT also. It is a destination based taxes. Intrastate means it is a origin based taxes. Within the state itself, that revenue goes to the same tax. Destination based tax means the where I am purchasing, where the goods are delivering, that state is going to get the tax benefit. GST offers comprehensive and continuous chain tax credit, which shall be similar to VAT also. GST will be GST burden will be borne by the final consumer. GST eliminates the cascading effects, which means tax on tax. GST brings uniform tax structures all over the India. GST brings the uniform tax structures all over the India. And what are the advantages of the taxes? GST brings the burden of GST brings the uniform structure of the all taxes, which means the one nation, one tax. Earlier there will be so many taxes are there, so all taxes has been subsumed. If you come to central taxes, central excise duty, additional excise duty, service tax, additional customs duty, CST, central surcharge, etc. States has been subsumed. VAT, sales tax, luxury tax, outright tax, purchase tax, and like that. Now all taxes has been subsumed and only one nation, one tax, that is GST. Taxes, there are few taxes is not yet subsumed. Taxes, this one is very important. Taxes which has been not yet subsumed. One is customs duty, stamp duty, vehicle tax, excise duty, alcohol liquor for human consumption, electricity tax on supply of consumption of tax on supply of consumption of electricity, road tax, and entertainment tax. Here they given one what is the need for GST. Says that GST is a cure for all ill of indirect taxes, which I told you. All these taxes is there. No, this one and are much more important. We have to do the smart study. So like this is the bill, 1000 rupees tax. Say I will show you cascading effect. Tax per total food bill, service charge 10%, 110 rupees. Again in that VAT. So this 159 includes this. This is called cascading effect. This one is also very important. Taxes which has been subsumed. CGST Act, central excise duty levied on excise duty, levy, excise duty, that's it. Service tax, CVD on import. Here IGST will be levied, CGST on import, CVD on import, special CVD. Like this, all has been this entry tax, purchase tax, luxury tax. These are taxes has been subsumed now. And if you come to the further means, this one will be one nation, one tax and all. GST is a dual model, which means GST will be a dual model of GST, which means CGST Act, state will be collects the tax and that amount will be kept with the states. Central tax collected by the central government, which is IGST will be levied on CGST as interstate purchases. CGST and IGST will be levied. So that one will be half. In case of intrastate means CGST and SGST will be levied. Methodology for this one and all. These are the examples has been given. Suppose a goods worth 10,000 rupees of the manufacture of the purchase, which state will be levied, which one will be levied? Say Maharashtra, from Maharashtra to Maharashtra. So from Maharashtra trader will be Rajasthan. So 9% will be levied on CGST because it is an interstate. Intrastate means within the state CGST and this one will be levied. In case of interstate means IGST and CGST will be levied. These are all the examples, very simple. We can manage everything. Not much more thing is important is required. Yes, GST in union territories without legislature. There are 5 states are there, 5 union territories which does not have own legislature. So here these 5 states, state GST law will be followed, the concerned state GST law. In case of these 5 states are there surrounding to the state, that one will be levied. And IGST, interstate stock transfer. Interstate means one state to another state, Tamil Nadu to Andhra Pradesh. Intrastate means within Karnataka. If you practicing the examples, these are all the only examples only they will ask. These are all the examples. If nothing we have to do. If we want to get the marks means GST, easily we can get above 60 marks. How? I will tell you. Only we have to concentrate on the practicals. The more examples we practice now, easily we can get it. And I will try to concentrate on concept wise only. Say these examples and all is there now. And thereafter GST and portal is there. One GST and portal. This one will be GSTN, Goods Service Tax Network. This one will be Section 8 of the Companies Act has been formed. Section 8 companies, non-profit making companies, which has been formed. This government has formed this GSTN. It has a website managed by the government, which is gsti.gov.in. What are the functions it will do now? It will do the dealers facilities for registration, forwarding the returns to this central and state tax authorities, computation and settlement of IGSTs, which means matching concept, matching tax payment details with banking. Say I paid the tax, it will be reflect on next day. Providing tax analysis for taxpayers. That means analysis, matching analysis it will provide. Very simple. Say 1 to 9 sections are there. 1 to 6 sections are there. 1 to 6 sections. Definitions will be important, and these officers of GST, appointment of officers and all, not much more important. In this administration, first chapter 1 is preliminary administration, and chapter 3 is the levy and collection of taxes. So our chapter will start from here, scope of supply. From here to will start. Very important sections. Will be goods is there. What is the meaning of the goods? Goods means every kind of movable property other than actionable claims, but includes movable property, every kind of movable property other than actionable crimes but includes money, stay,